Okay, so you're a broke teenage kid sitting on your bed right now watching this video and you have $0 in your bank account and you're asking me, how the hell can I make money online? Well, the best way that I know to make money online, starting from zero, actually the quickest way that I know, and that is to buy and sell Instagram accounts. So you're here to find out how to buy and sell Instagram accounts, and I will be explaining in detail and quite quickly how to buy and sell Instagram accounts. I've been buying and selling Instagram accounts for 1.5 years now. Like, I've been in this business and I love it. You can make a lot of money. When I say a lot of money, I mean a lot of money if you just go slowly, you do things the proper way, and you just keep growing every single month. You can make upwards of $100 in your first month if you follow my instructions. So the first thing that you need to understand is that you're buying and selling Instagram accounts. So when you buy and sell Instagram accounts, these are some rules that you need to look out for. It's usually about $10 per 1,000 followers up until you get to 8K, when the prices start going up and down and the prices start looking weird. And so whatever account you're selling, if it's below 8,000, it's probably gonna be 8K divided by, I don't know, 100 or something like that, right? And that's gonna be the amount of money that you need to be selling the account for or spending the account for. The number where people actually want to start buying your accounts is at 2,000 to 3,000. That's usually where people want to start buying your accounts, and that's usually the number that you need to get to be able to actually kind of sell your account. So how are you going to get to 2,000 to 3,000 on your Instagram account? So the first thing I suggest you do is you create an Instagram account. And this is important. When you create your Instagram account, do not use your personal email, because when you sell the Instagram account, you're going to need to sell your personal email as well, which you should not do unless, of course, you don't care about your personal email. Whenever you create a new Instagram account, use a new Gmail account, Yahoo, iCloud, I don't care what you use, but just use a new Gmail if you care about your own personal email. But anyway, now you've got a new account with a new Gmail account linked to the Instagram account. And so now what do you want to do? Now the next thing you need to do is grow your account to 2,000 followers. As I've literally just said, 2,000 is where people want to start buying Instagram accounts. And so literally grow your Instagram account to about 2,000 followers. Now, how are you going to grow your Instagram account to 2,000 followers? Well, you're at the perfect place. This channel has millions of videos at this point on how to grow from 0 to 1K, 0 to 2K, whatever, like 0 to 10K. Like, there's just a bunch of videos at this point on how to grow your Instagram account, and well, watch that. My videos can show you how to grow your Instagram account to 2K in less than 2 weeks, and so literally just watch my videos and you'll be fine. So now, how are you gonna make the $100 in a month? Now, the trick is to literally grow 5 Instagram accounts to 2,000 followers each, and then sell all of them for $20 each, which, if you've done quick math, should equal $100. So there it is. That's how easy it is to make $100. But now you're probably gonna be like, whoa, but okay, I know how to grow the Instagram account, I know how to get the followers, and I know how much they go for, but where the hell do I sell these Instagram accounts? Now, you've also come to the right place. And before I get into that, please just subscribe to the channel. If you're still here, you're obviously kind of enjoying the video. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I've got a lot more tips about this type of stuff and how to make money on Instagram, around Instagram, and online. But basically, let's get back into the video. Where the hell are you gonna sell? The two best places that I know to sell small accounts at 2,000 followers is basically Instagram and Telegram. Let's start with Instagram. How are you gonna sell on Instagram? The best way that I know to sell on Instagram is literally DMs. Go to accounts with about 8 to 20,000 followers. And the reason you want to go to these guys is because they have PayPal, they know how money works, they know how accounts grow, and they know the potential of a 2K account because they're a small account and they've just recently probably grown their account to about 8K. And so literally how I would market it, I would literally go, hey, I've got a 2K account, the ad is this, I'm selling it for $20. I know you probably sell $20 for your promo, so literally just give me $20 and I will give you this account, and the account will grow to like 20K. It's blowing up, and that's literally it. That's all I'd say. And if you send 100 of those in 1 week, you should get like 4 or 5, I'd even say it's around 10 people being like, you know what, fine, I'll buy the account from you. And that is basically the best way to sell accounts. Now, another way that is kind of like the secret way, if you don't want to spam your account and hurt your account because you might get shadow banned with that many DMs, is to use another account to literally spam and be like, hey guys, buy this account on this, it's called this, how much are you selling it for, whatever. But anyway, yeah, like that's how you would sell on Instagram, the DMs. That's the best way. You would just go DM a whole bunch of people. I said that was the best way. It's not the best way. The best way is with Telegram. Now, Telegram is like basically like WhatsApp. It's like a big group of people that come into like one like group, and like there's like thousands of them in that group, and they basically sell and buy Instagram pages. That's literally it. They sell and they buy Instagram pages. I don't know what to say. They literally list up things. Hey, I'm looking for a 2K account. How much? PM me, and that means private message me, I think. PM me if you have an account, and let's make a deal. Or you go up there and you list up, hey, I got a 2K account. Anyone looking for it, I'm selling for this much. If this is the at, PM me, private message me, or DM. You literally just list up your accounts. Now you're probably gonna say, okay, fine. I know the Instagram method, but the Telegram method, where do I find these marketplaces? Well, you've also still come to the perfect place. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm running out of air. I can't speak this fast anymore. Basically, in the description, when you're scrolling down to subscribe, in the description, there should be a whole bunch of marketplaces that I have listed on there already for you to use. And basically, once you get into one marketplace, it's kind of easy because then there's so many other marketplaces that get promoted, and then you should have about 100 marketplaces where you can list your Instagram account. So now you know what to do. Create your account, grow to 2K. Now you know where to sell it, Instagram or the Telegram marketplaces. But now this is the most important part that you should stay around to see, because I am telling you, I'm not even trying to YouTube algorithm you here. This is the most important part of this entire operation. If you miss this, you're gone. You don't know how to make a transaction. Like, most people probably do not have a bank account or like whatever, so you can't get stuff wired. So now this is where PayPal comes in. You need to use PayPal. You can use PayPal, you can use Cash App, you can use Skrillex, but I suggest PayPal because most people use PayPal, especially on Instagram and on Telegram. Most people use PayPal. So if you do not have PayPal, then you will miss out on a lot of deals and a lot of money. I've already told you to use PayPal because most people use PayPal, but another reason that you need to use PayPal is because PayPal is the most secure banking whatever app to sell and buy stuff online. When you use PayPal and someone says, hey, I want to buy your account, they will basically be like, hey, I want to buy your account. You be like, yes, sure. And then they'll say, give me your PayPal Gmail. Go to PayPal, get your Gmail, paste it on there. Okay. Then they send money to you. And they will probably pay goods and services. And when you want to buy an account in the future, you should always pay with goods and services. Never pay with friends and family. Now, for new guys who don't really know what that means, this is basically a quick run through on what it means. First of all, friends and family is basically when you pay money to your friends and family. PayPal does not take a fee from that, and that's why people want it. But the reason you should never pay friends and family is because once you pay friends and family, you cannot ask PayPal to investigate the situation and ask for a refund. So basically, someone can scam you if you pay friends and family. That's why you always need to pay goods and services. Because when you pay goods and services and someone does not give you the account that you paid for, then you can go to PayPal and file a dispute, and then PayPal can literally go get your money and just give it back to you, especially if they're scamming you. So never pay friends and family, but always take screenshots, because let's say you sell the account, someone gives you money, and then they say they didn't receive the account, and when they file a dispute, you just be like, hey guys, I did give him the account, and look at the screenshots, look at him saying he got the account on my chat. So guys, PayPal will be like, yeah, okay, cool, I believe you, and then they'll leave you alone. But do not worry about getting scammed. The last time I was scammed was 2 years ago when this method was booming, but you do not need to worry about getting scammed. But yes, always screenshot. I have like millions of screenshots on my phone. Literally, like I literally scroll up, I've got like 1,000 screenshots. That is how I've been buying and selling Instagram accounts. That is the method of how to buy and sell Instagram accounts. And if you're interested in more videos and tips and things that you can do to make money online, and if you want to learn more about how I've been buying and selling Instagram accounts, you want to see my story, well then subscribe to the channel, like the video. I've said that a million times, but I really do mean it. Like, please subscribe. Anyway, without further ado, thank you for watching to the end. You are a real one if you have, and watch my other videos which pop up here. But anyway, subscribe and peace.